Hello, I will discuss about blood cancers. Blood cancers are 4 to 5% of all cancers. It affects all age group from small kid to the elderly people. 50 years back, blood cancers were almost always fatal. Now, with advancement of medical sciences, the trend is changing. Up to 50 to 60% blood cancer patients are living normal, productive life. Causes of blood cancer is not known in most of the cases. In few cases, environmental agents, radiation, infections, genetic factors, and previous treatment for cancer may play a role. Early diagnosis and treatment is the best way to prevent complications of blood cancers. It is very important to recognize signs and symptoms of blood cancers early so that it can be treated and complications can be prevented. In most of blood cancers, blood cells are replaced by cancerous cells, hence the normal blood cells are less in number. Symptoms of blood cancers are usually weakness because of low hemoglobin, that is anemia, fever or infections due to low neutrophil count, bleeding spots or bleeding due to low platelets, bony pain, swelling or lump in the body, and pressure symptom of vital organ like weakness in the limbs. Some blood cancers, usually slow growing blood cancers, are sometimes diagnosed without any complaint during routine blood examinations. Any prolonged fever can be a warning sign of blood cancers. Broadly, blood cancers are of three types: leukemia, lymphoma, and multiple myeloma. Leukemia are the blood cancers presenting as abnormal blood counts, especially increased WBC count with low hemoglobin and platelets. Sometimes WBC counts may be low. Leukemias are two types: fast growing called acute leukemia, which requires aggressive chemotherapy and can be curative in many cases. Without treatment, such cancers are fatal within 3 to 6 months. Slow growing, also called chronic leukemia, may be present without any complaint. Most of these cancers can be controlled with chemotherapy and gives long productive life. Some of these cancers may be kept under medical supervision without any treatment. Both of these leukemia further subdivided into myeloid and lymphoid according to the type of blood cells affected by cancer. Leukemias are generally diagnosed by blood counts and smear or slide examination. Further tests like bone marrow examination, flow cytometry, genetic tests, that is chromosomal and molecular testing, are needed to diagnose type and biology of leukemia. Lymphoma are the cancer of lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are located all around the body, especially at the neck, armpit, and groin. These usually manifest as swelling of these lymph nodes as well as fever, weight loss, loss of appetite in some cases. There are more than 30 to 40 types of lymphoma. Broadly, lymphoma are categorized as Hodgkin's lymphoma and non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. For diagnosis of lymphoma, lymph node biopsy is needed. Sometimes special tests like immunohistochemistry, that is called IHC, or flow cytometry is needed to know the exact type. A spread of disease, that is staging, is confirmed by PET CT scan and bone marrow biopsy. Treatment of lymphoma is done as per its type and stage of disease. Mostly it is in form of chemotherapy Sometimes radiation therapy and bone marrow transplant is needed. These lymphomas are more than 50% curable with present available therapy. Multiple myeloma is a cancer of plasma cells, the cells that provide immunity to our body. These usually affect the middle-aged or elderly people. These cancers usually present with aching bone, kidney failure, sometimes with anemia and frequent infections. Diagnosis of multiple myeloma done by different blood and urine tests, bone marrow biopsy, and some radiological tests like X-rays of the body. With present treatment, these cancers are converted into chronic disease and gives 8 to 10 productive years on average. Treatment of multiple myeloma is initially with anti-cancer drugs, followed by bone marrow transplant if possible. Blood cancers are generally treated with anti-cancer drug, that is targeted agent and chemotherapy. Bone marrow transplant and radiation therapy are useful in some of the cases. Blood cancers are life-threatening disease which can be either cured or changed into slow-growing disease with productive life with present available therapies. We know that the treatment of blood cancers is expensive, but various government and social organizations are working to support you and yours. In the last, not the least, I want to say we don't have solution for all of your problems, but we will not leave you alone when you have a problem. Do remember, blood cancers are curable if diagnosed and treated early. Thank you.